Consider 1 kg of water in a closed vessel under a pressure of P Newton per meter square and at a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius. Gradually heated when the pressure remains constant, the following changes will occur. Initially, the temperature of the ice will increase till it reaches the freezing temperature of water, that is 0 degrees Celsius. It is shown by the line 1 to 2 in. Next, when more heat is added after the point 2, the ice starts melting at the same time. There is no rise in temperature till the whole of the ice has been melted and converted into water. This process is represented by a line 2 to 3 shown in figure. The heat added during this period is called latent heat of fusion of ice or latent heat of ice. Next, on further heating, the water reaches its boiling point or saturation point 4. At a given pressure, the temperature at which a pure substance starts boiling is called saturation temperature, T-Sat. Similarly, at a given temperature, the pressure at which a pure substance starts boiling is called saturation pressure, Sat. Both saturation temperature and pressure are the function of each other. At atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat added during heating of water from 0 degrees Celsius to saturation temperature of 100 degrees Celsius is known as sensible heat. It is denoted by HF. Mathematically, H is equal to mCp T2 minus T1. Next is, on further heating beyond 4, the water will gradually be converted into steam when the temperature remains constant. Steam is the substance in which the evaporation is not completed from its liquid state. At this stage, the steam will have some water particles in suspension called wet steam. The same process continues till all water particles converted into wet steam. The line 4 to 5 in figure represents this process. The amount of heat added during heating of water from boiling point to dry saturated stage is called latent heat of vaporization or enthalpy of vaporization or latent heat of steam. It is denoted by HFG. Next, if the water is further heated, the water particles in suspension will be fully converted into steam. The whole steam without any water suspension is called dry steam or dry saturated steam. Finally, when the dry steam is further heated, the temperature rises again. This process is called superheating and the steam obtained is known as superheated steam. The heat supplied to the dry steam at saturation temperature T is thus 100 degrees Celsius. To convert it into superheated steam at the temperature T sub is called heat of superheat or superheat enthalpy. It is denoted by H sub. Mathematically, H sub is equal to Hg plus Cp, T sup minus Ts.